Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by heating the oven to 175 degrees C and preparing 2 sheets. This sets bake timing so cookies spread correctly. Next, cream 115 grams of softened butter with 100 grams brown sugar and 50 grams granulated sugar until smooth. This traps air for lift. Once done, beat in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla until the mixture is pale and slightly fluffy. This is the foundation. Moisture, fat, and sugar properly combined so the dough will bind. You now combine structure with chemistry. Whisk 225 grams all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt to distribute leavening and seasoning. Once your wet mix is ready, fold the dry ingredients in 2 additions. This reduces gluten development so cookies stay tender. Make sure to stop as soon as streaks disappear. Overmixing yields toughness. Then stir in 150 grams chocolate chips for pockets of melt. If time allows, chill the dough 30 to 60 minutes. You portion dough with about 1.5 tablespoons each and space balls roughly 2.5 to 3 centimeters apart so heat circulates and edges crisp. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes. Remove when edges are set but centers still soft. Carryover heat finishes them. Let cookies cool 5 minutes on the sheet before transferring to a rack to avoid breaking. If cookies spread too thin or are greasy, chill dough longer or add 1 tablespoon flour. That small change firms dough and controls spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.